The executive summary of Toyota Woven City project. Toyota Woven City will be a fully connected ecosystem powered by clean energy sources. Modern technologies, including smart homes, robotics, and artificial intelligence, will be incorporated and will be tested. It will be a large city which will house over 200 residents. Major infrastructures will be hidden in an underground network. Everyone in the city, the building, and the vehicles will be connected via technology. In the project phase, following the investigation stated above, some problems and issues have been identified in the transportation and warehousing system of Toyota Woven City project. Some theories have been developed. The schedule and scope of work will also be presented. We have identified some risks and carried out some mitigations to approach these issues.
Although the Toyota Woven City project aims to build a sustainable smart city, it faces ongoing and contemporary supply chain and logistic challenges as follows. Integration of green hydrogen within the woven city logistics system is a challenge from its transportation to its use as fuel cell transportation. Managing a wide variety of mobility options is also a challenge, including autonomous vehicles, personal mobility devices, robotics, and AI-based systems. The rapid development of telecommunication technologies such as 4G, 5G, and the upcoming 6G will adversely affect the project's supply chain and logistics. To accommodate the city's changing needs as the Woven City project grows from 360 residents to 2,000, Toyota must ensure its logistics and supply chain system can effectively scale and adapt.
During our investigation phase, we have identified issues that we would like to look into. And within those, we will be honing in on two specific ones, which are transport and warehousing. For this purpose, we will be using the following theories. Within transport, risk management, process mapping, sustainable supply chain management, and the slip sheet process. Within warehousing, we will be looking into forecasting, inventory management and ERP, and artificial intelligence.
Our group will tackle the tasks mentioned in the table above, starting with the investigation of potential challenges and vulnerability within the logistics and supply chains of the Woven City project. After identifying the challenges, the group will provide recommendations on how to address them and produce a project plan to demonstrate how these recommendations can be implemented. Finally, the group will discuss how a project management approach can facilitate in effective and efficiency implementation of the proposed recommendation and changes in the supply chain and logistics of Woven City. Also, we have regular meetings and maintain constant communication and ensure to smooth project executions and completion.
Legislative risks such as taxes, permitting, and fiscal duties can be mitigated by staying up to date with laws and regulations, implementing compliance systems, and working closely with authorities. Environmental risks such as emissions emitted, waste generated, and energy needs of the woven city can be mitigated by using electronic transport, hydrogen fuel, and recycling. Risks associated with meeting deadlines can be mitigated by developing work schedules, project timelines, maintaining good communication, and regular review and revision of the timeline. In order to mitigate the risk of lack of accountability within the team members can develop a schedule of work, implement system checks, establish clear roles, and exercise team-building activities. Communication breakdown risks can be mitigated by setting clear goals and objectives, maintaining good communication, and sharing information promptly.